Shrimp scampi for the win. Okay, yeah, you see that butter drip. All right, y'all. So, of course, here are your seasonings. So, make sure that you have everything prepped and ready. Go ahead and season your noodle water. Do not overcook those noodles. Season your shrimp to your liking, whatever seasonings of your choice. Once your butter has melted, you go in with your garlic and onions. You do want to add a lemon, freshly squeezed. After that, it's up to you guys. I added the seasonings that you see on the screen, but again, it's similar to making seafood boil sauce, except you're not putting that many spices in here, okay? It's mainly that lemon, you know, and that lemon pepper and butter. But yeah, so you add some butter to your noodles, and then you're going to make sure your sauce is right. So go in with the taste test, see if you like it, okay? And then you want to add that to your shrimp. Now, this is the important step because you don't want to miss this. You're going to go in and sprinkle some Parmesan cheese, parsley. And you're going to put it back in the oven because remember, the shrimp were halfway done. I didn't say that, but you're going to put them in the oven till they're curled all the way up. And then there you have it. Put it over those noodles, a little bit more butter sauce. And y'all, yeah. My recipe book is still out, so make sure you go grab that. Okay, bye-bye.